pasó ya.
The bulldozer is facing difficulty when trying to cross the snowy road. The heavy snow cover made the bulldozer slide on the snow surface and could not actively move. The bulldozer is performing a very important and difficult task, loading a huge block of ice onto the truck. Pressure is on the bulldozer's front wheel, and every precise movement of the mechanical arm is pushing and lifting the rock. Moving on, they adjusted the position of the rock, making sure it was loaded in the safest and most stable way. As the final block rests firmly on the truck, a sense of success and fulfillment fills the space. This is the Komatsu 930E, which is a mining truck with large mass transport capacity and is widely used all over the world. Raining incessantly, the Boulogne-de-Terre highway in Spain was flooded and turned into a muddy land. Vehicles face the risk of stalling and moving becomes extremely difficult and dangerous. Cat 994K wheel loader is designed to handle large loads, suitable for loading and transporting heavy materials such as ore, coal. The farmer and his plow are softening the soil and removing weeds, thereby creating a soft layer of soil for the next season. The D11T bulldozer is equipped with a powerful motor with high output, which makes it respond well to difficult tasks and bad terrain. The world's largest mining truck has a problem and is being pulled by another mining truck for repair. Great! This is a heavy-duty machine that is very necessary in the process of leveling the construction site. This is one of the bad roads in Brazil when the rainy season comes, and it will be a big challenge for truckers when going through this area. The crane truck is on the task of towing the Caterpillar 769C dump truck to the repair place because it has an engine failure while working. However, it seems that the mass of the 769C is too large, making it very difficult to drag it to the repair place. This is a Komatsu D275 hard at work doing its day job on a mine in Mongolia.